We came through fire and broken skies, with starlight tangled in our eyes. The landing pad still breathed with gold, a story lost, a story told. The faces mirrored back our own, of people waiting all alone. We were home for a while, in the hush of the golden wild, held by roots and open hands, in the heart of the Twilight band. But love alone can't hold the land. We had to leave to understand. The Verklids turned from dance to flame. The trees grew sick, forgot our names. The earring pulsed beyond control, and we became what it stole. To calm the storm, I pressed it back. The light that trembled all went black, and we were home for a time, drunk on stars and sap and rhyme, cradled close in trembling hands, in the shade of the Twilight band. But even love can break and bend. We had to lose it to begin again. We knelt beneath the fingal tree, took in the sap to set us free. The light turned dark inside my veins, the roots remembered all our names. But we were poison in their song, and it was time to move along. We were home and it was real, every shimmer, every feel. But love that's trapped will tear apart, and still you're home inside my heart. We took the sky hand in hand and left behind the Twilight band. We'll find a place to plant what grew, where love is wild and always true, beyond the Twilight band.